We're going to the airport now.
Turkey.
Because we're going to Turkey. My party's just drinking water right now. This is a toy, so don't be scared.
Look outside, look.
Aww. Happy.
Good morning, guys. I'm gonna be very honest with you. Yesterday I was way too tired to talk to the camera. I was just exhausted, but yeah. Welcome to day one of my Turkey vlog. I was literally up all night doing my hair the night before the flight and I had no energy yesterday, but here we are. Dior, if you're watching right now, feel free to sponsor me, please, and thank you. This is the Dior Solar Sublimating Oil. Yeah, I'm ready now. I could have slept on the aeroplane. Yeah. Alright, so we have the Dior, what's it called? Dior Solar Sublimating Oil. Okay, hold on. Just gonna take a little bit and apply it onto my skin. Ooh. It's the oil, body oil. I only use a little bit, but look at that. Can you see that shimmer? Thank you. Thanks.
game. I'ma spit the truth. I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suit. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes.
This is the real hair, guys. This is the only exercise she's done the whole year, guys. So don't let her fool you.
What do you mean? Look at the amount of push-ups.
Right, Anaya. Anaya, let me see how many push-ups you can do. Sorry, one hand.
Let's do 2 hands.
Now you can be the one. Uh-oh. That's the only words you know. That was so fun, guys. So fun. I'm so happy that I finally got to. Because what? Because voice is completely different to her normal voice. That's not how she talks. Wow, guys. Those of you who know me, is that true or false? Put it in the comments below. Hello, guys. You're dumb.
There you go.
Nice.
Auntie has to finish it. No.
No,
You're doing it on purpose now.
don't drink all of it. Don't drink all of it.
I won. Is it this one? We are just coming to have some dinner now. Might treat myself to a nice healthy salad to start off with. Don't know what that is, but it looks like. Alright guys, so I'm going to try these foods now. I don't know what on earth this is. I think this one was a chicken one. Oh! I think this is a fish. It all makes sense, Ezra. It's fish and some sort of tomato sauce. It's not bad, you know. It needs to be cooked a bit more. What do you think that is? Egg, Sweet corn and some sort of tartar. I think I need to go and get proper food, you know. I need to go and get proper food. Okay, and this is the last one. Don't know what that is, if it makes sense. I don't even know what part is edible. It smells fishy. Alright, that was an epic fail. Now we're talking. Time to get some proper food. I'm gonna add some bath powder. What flavour do you have? I just tired, guys. And are you tired? What are we doing now, Ezra?
We are going to watch a movie. It's just like some kind of show.
We are driving to the show right now.
Huh?
So basically, guys, we are going to, I don't even know where we're going. I'm just going with the flow. I'm not going to lie to you, but yeah. We're going somewhere. So we just came downstairs to a private breakfast that was booked for us. This is where we are.
$100.
And how's the breakfast?
100 charge.
Wow, that's a big statement.
Please. No. Yeah. No. 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 Come on. No. Yeah. Come on.
Just take it.
Left or right? Which one do you want? Take it. No. No. Come on. No. No. Come on. Yeah. No, no. You ready? You ready? Bravo. Make sure you subscribe.